Woo-wee. Oh my, it is Randy, your favorite gardener right here at Texas City, Texas Cupcake Farms. My beautiful wife and I yesterday, we were having a good time, just chit-chatting about the future. And I gotta tell you, there's one thing that we're gonna change. I'm gonna switch this. As you guys know, we've upgraded to what so many folks are starting to do with these 30-inch compost rows, mushroom dirt, manure, things like that, just natural compost. And then about a 14 to 16-inch walk space in between filled with wood chips, thus preventing us from having to pull so many weeds. Although I do notice a few weeds popping here and there, but that's of no consequence. Our youngest daughter came out the other day and said, "Dad, this is the prettiest garden you've ever had." And she, of course, has been raised with me gardening every year. So that's why it led my gorgeous wife and I to decide at the end of this growing season, I'm going to walk over here, our normal till garden, which this was the first year I did a no-till. Instead, I laid landscape fabric down, but as you can see between the corn, the grass, and the weeds are just going insane. But at the end of this grow season, of course, right now it's just the end of April. I think May is Thursday next week, something like that. So we're just 4, 5, 6 days from the month of May. At the end of this grow season, I'm going to clear out everything in here. I'm going to put some living greens that I can flatten out and kill and compost. And we're going to do that 30-inch compost bed permanently. The only thing I'm going to do is get one of those infamous broad forks. Oh, those things are just so sexy. That way I can continue to grow things like beets, because we got a great market for beets down here in the Houston area, as well as other root vegetables such as potatoes, carrots. And that's probably it. I tried my best to grow a money tree, but that $100 didn't last. But we're going to do it. And I think it's time. I'm looking forward to it. So 2025, this will be the last year I do this style of gardening. No more tills anyway. In fact, I've got a $1,500 tiller over there that I'm just going to donate to somebody here locally, because I'm not tilling anymore. I'm 50. Ugh, I'm too old for it. Don't need a tiller. I need a walker. But that's what we're going to do. Now, one other thing. I am so sorry, folks. Let me spin this bad boy back around. The greenhouse. Okay, as you guys know, I do soil grow, which you can see right now. It's a little messy, so forgive me, because we had some bad storms this last week, so I brought in a bunch of my seed trays that were naturally outside. We're going to convert this to hydroponics. I found a system that I'm super in love with, and we're going to change that at the end of the grow season, obviously, because I've already got all of our tomatoes growing. 3 or 4 of them are already tied up, and they're actually loaded with fruit. So that's another thing, and so look for that as this year continues on. I'm excited on that. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step how I do that, as well as this garden, because I want to show you, as a homeowner, say goodbye to grass mowing every week. Instead, grow food, and I'm going to show you how you can do that for just a couple of $100. I promise you. It's not expensive to grow your own food, and it sure beats the heck out of having to get your mower and your weed whacker out. Although my gorgeous wife won't let me make this food yet, because she still wants a little greenery, or grass, if you will, around our pool. All right, I'm going to hush up. You guys be good, but look for those changes.